Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm doing a very beginners friendly makeup tutorial. So I'm starting up with this Wow Cosmetic foundation, and then next I go in with Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to just brighten those points that are supposed to be highlighted. And then you see it's dim, so I'll add this L'Oreal Paris concealer on the inner corners of my eyes to really get that bright look. Since this is the point of focus, I really want my under eyes brighter, so I go ahead to add the lighter shade of concealer and I blend that in. I'm using a powder puff over that after blending with a brush to just even out everything. That is how you achieve an evenly blended base. Always try to go over it with a powder puff or beauty blender so that you can pick up the excess if you start with the brush. Next I go in with this She Glam shader just to shade those points on my face that I want them to be less visible, or contour. So I contour my forehead because yeah, it's big. You just have to shade it a little bit. Shade the sides of my cheeks. Shade my eyes a little bit just to give it that lifted effect. Shade the sides of my nose. And I go ahead to set. I set my under eyes with this translucent blue setting powder. Blend that in. And now I'm going to just blend over all those areas that are supposed to be bright, and I go in with some powder blush. Blend that with my brush. Now on this powder, I'm going to use it to set my whole face. Take a little bit of highlighter, the bronzer, just shine on the tip of my nose. Go ahead and apply a little bit of eyeshadow. Dark brown. I love dark brown so much on the outer corners of my eyes. And then blend it in with the reddish orange tone and apply lighter shade on the inner corners. Now I do my wing eyeline. Apply white on my waterline. Then I double the wing with gold glitter color, yeah, something like that. And then I go ahead with some pencil to line my lips. Make sure that it's well blended, and I apply some red blend it, and I'm going to just add this light concealer to make it appear like nude. And I go in with gloss. You can always play around with these lipsticks. And then I go in with setting spray from Maybelline. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.